ARCUSFULTZ.
Okay.
And my number is 779-804-9625.
Okay, and Marcus, what kind of a case were you wanting him to represent you on?
This is I have a court date July 16th. It's a child support hearing, and it was scheduled over Zoom, but I'm actually going to show up to court. And on that day, it's at 9:30, July 16th. And the child's mother, Amber Butler, she said that she doesn't know how to operate the Zoom. So I told my mother that because right now Amber and Wyatt, her son, and my daughter London are currently living with my mother and her wife in Redwood. But so I told my mom that we could both appear at court. But basically, like I have this form that I printed offline for a parental allocation of parenting rights and parenting time. So I have this filled out, but I wanted to sit down and meet with Mr. Bertram to go over this and make sure it's the right document so I can submit it so we could e-file it because I have knowledge that Amber is planning to move 3 hours away with my child again with her ex-boyfriend, which she got kicked out of, and that's how she ended up in my mom's. But it's just a whole messy case. I do support my child, and I have evidence of that and receipts and such. But I just need to exercise my father's rights. There's things that the judge needs to know in regards to like the things about my child that I don't have, like birth certificate, social security number, but also just trying to establish like that parenting time because right now I'm just dealing with a angry, hurt woman trying to use my child against me in any way she can. And my daughter's gonna turn 6 July 3rd, and I'm important in her life, and she's important to me. And I want to do everything I can to get my daughter at the least have some type of agreement by law, so because this has been going on for years, and it's just been so toxic, and I need help. My daughter's life is on the line too, because she's not safe with her mom. Her mom's unstable, unemployed, very vindictive, and there's a history and there's a pattern of this. So I just would like some help.
Okay, unfortunately, Bill doesn't handle family cases anymore.
Oh, I was told that he did.
He used to, but within the last maybe 5-6 months, he's not handling those kinds of cases anymore.
Is that okay? Is that like a definite no? Is there any way like I could talk to him and he could, or if he could like point me like in a different direction, or like an associate of his or something? Maybe is Casson still doing child support or child cases? Adam Casson.
Adam Casson, I don't know practices around here anymore. He's up in Peoria area now, but I can tell you for sure that Bill won't take it. He doesn't handle those kinds of cases. There is another attorney who rents space in our office. Her name is Maggie Clark. I can't guarantee that she'll take it, but I can take your information like that you gave me and give that note to her and ask her to give you a call back.
Yes, please do that. Cause I'm in the process of I don't know if I need to get a lawyer, obtain a lawyer, or not. But like right now, it's just and everything costs a lot, in this economy too. So I know the lawyer needs a retainer and this and that. But like and Bertram is familiar with my case. I know he's not representing. He doesn't do child case anymore, but he's very familiar with it. So if I could still, can you ask him to reach out to me too? Because I just like maybe he could point me like with a specific attorney. You can ask Miss Clark too, but I'm trying to exhaust all options here because I'm gonna inevitably lose my child again and pay child support for really reasons because my child's mom is like I said very vindictive, and she has a SR22 insurance that she has to pay off, and basically I know that money child support would go to drugs and maybe bills. It wouldn't go to my child specifically. So I've done this and been through this. So I'm just trying to really be respectful of everything. But I'm a hurt, upset father who's, I just need some help. So if you could help me, please, yeah, and by all means, point me into the correct direction. I would greatly appreciate it.
Okay, like I said, I'll pass the information to Maggie and see if she can give you a call back, and we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.